Funny story here. A couple of weeks ago, I had my friend slash aide get this bag of bird food, so I didn't run out, and it was just sitting in the garage. I tried to pick it up over the weekend and open it, but failed, and I was going to ask her to do it on Tuesday, but I forgot. So, fast forward to this morning. I couldn't open it up, but they could, whoever they are. Rabbits, birds, squirrels. So, looks like the ants are at it. But I wanted to make a video. Here we have neighborhood community meal.